So I'm on a LinkedIn Messenger chat with someone late one night, and I'm laying in bed doing the wrong thing with the phone in bed. And this guy starts to unravel about problems with alcohol and potential self-harm. So I'm laying in bed thinking, oh my God, what do I do here? How do I continue this conversation or stop this conversation? Not awkward, but I felt this responsibility fall upon me. But there's an instinct, this ego comes in that says, what he should do is this. But I don't know him. You don't know me. I'm in no position, qualification-wise or experience-wise, to tell this person what they should do. But they're reaching out. So what do? You listen. All I could do was listen. And listening turned out to be a huge benefit to this person, more powerful than I ever expected. This happens in other parts of our lives. I recently lost a ton of weight, and I see people who are overweight, and I think to myself, my God, I know how you can fix this. All your health problems can go away. But I can't do that. I don't know them. I don't know what else is going on. They didn't ask me for help. Perhaps I can lead by experience. Perhaps if they ask me, I can tell them what I did, but I'm not a nutritionist. I don't have the experience or the qualifications to help someone who's got alcohol problems, to help someone who's got weight problems, or even to help someone in their business in a situation where I don't know better. Where I don't have that experience or knowledge, I can listen. That's all I can do. If I say you should, which you should never do, then I'm in the world of ego because I don't have the experience, I don't have the knowledge, but ego gets in the middle and says, oh, you can do this and do that. You should do this and should do that. Wrong. Especially as you're getting more and more into your older ages. Like I'm in my 50s now, and you've had these experiences. You think you can talk about just about anything. Ego takes over. Hold the ego, just take it a little bit easier and just listen. So back to my friend. He knows he's got someone he can listen to, who'll listen to him, and he just needed to get some stuff out. And it wasn't really dreary, drag me down sort of stuff. He just said at the end, it was like, thanks so much just for listening. I haven't told many people this secret that I've got. I'm thinking, okay, cool. Now that will go with me to my grave, and that's what he would expect, I'm sure. But the profundity, the enormity of just listening to someone really smacked home to me. It was like, my God, that was a powerful thing to do, just to listen. Try it. Get out of your ego. You should not say you should. Thanks again for listening. I'm Stephen DiPietro.